Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel. I'm Bae, and for today's video I got hot Pilates going on today. I have taken hot yoga plenty of times, but today's the first day for hot Pilates. Hopefully I like it, and if I do, I can take it every Friday now for the rest of the month. So y'all stay tuned. I will be back. You see how laid my hair is? Watch when I get back out here how fuzzy it be. But yeah, okay, hair check. We're all oh, okay. All right, so we see my hair sweated out, but it's cool. I'm about to go to the grocery store so I can grab my dinner for tonight. This was different. I am used to hot yoga. That was all fine. The instructor, she is a beast. I told her I didn't like her, but not really don't like her, but like just like she's a beast. So I know her classes are going to be very, very intense. And when I even book my classes, I look for her. So I book and I just be like setting myself up. But it doesn't matter because like I say, she's a beast. I had a very irritating moment. And I'm not even going to get into details because I have been working on myself. So when I dwell on it, I just keep going. So I woosawed and I'm over that irritation right now. I'm headed to the grocery store to get what I need for my dinner. I found some chicken, fried chicken pitas, and that's what I'm going to eat. And I'm just going to go with that. And I'm going to have a good rest of my day. I'll just bring y'all along with me as always, okay? Grocery store run was a success. I just realized I'm already over here on this side of town. I have something to return to Target. No exchange. I bought my baby some shoes, some little sandals, and I didn't know her big foot self needed a size 6. I ended up getting a 5 and a 4 just to play it safe, but that 5 is like it just fit. But I need her to have some room because we still got a few months before summer. So Target, here we come. So I'm always looking for viral TikTok stuff, and there is an ice cream, the little like peach and mango ice cream. Somebody just posted in one of the groups around here that they found it at the Asian market. So after Target, I'm headed to the Asian market to grab it. She said it wasn't worth the hype, but I still got to see for myself. I can't just rely on everybody's review of it. I want to give my own review or get my own review. So I'm gonna buy it, and I know my boyfriend likes mangoes and stuff, so I'm not sure which one they actually have at this moment, but whatever they have, I'm gonna grab it and we're just gonna try it together. Target. So Target decides to be crazy packed today. Crazy packed in Target. So I'm gonna get what I need and get up out of here. I was going to get the Dubai chocolate latte from Starbucks, but not, the line's exceptionally long, so I'll grab these shoes and call it a day. Got what I needed. Now it's time for customer service and I can get up out of here. There you go. You're all set. Thank you. You're welcome. That was easy. First stop before I go to Harris Teeter, because of course my boyfriend needs some chicken, is let's do right, but it's Boba. I love me some Boba. Hello. I got me a sparkling strawberry yogurt sparkling boba with popping stuff. I don't know, but that's what I got, and then I'm heading to the grocery store. I'm tired now. So I couldn't even get the damn footage I wanted because, oh my gosh. I don't know, I think it's just bother Ashley Day today or something, but I couldn't even get the content I wanted because dude walked in there with his kids. What do you suggest to get? Okay, cool. Hey, this is what I got. Can I taste yours? Now you're irritating me and you're bothering you. Seem very creepish. But here's my drink. What's crazy is these boba places, they know they fill your drinks up with nothing but ice, like complete ice. Then they charge you to not get ice. Like, y'all know y'all be taxing. But anyways, because when I go to Starbucks, no ice. Anywhere else, no ice. Don't play with me. Especially what's that one place? Sonic. I don't even look at, if I don't just get ice by itself from Sonic, I will not get ice in my drink. Sonic be playing like a mug. But anyways, here's my drink. It's really, really cute. And yeah, I'm about to drink it before I go to the grocery store, which is like 30 seconds down the road. Funny story. So my recipe calls for me to use lemon zest. So I usually always use lemon juice in the glass bottle, the Santa Cruz brand. But this one required the lemon juice and lemon zest. So I was like, okay, I gotta get the full lemon. I know what to use for the lemon zest, but I don't have it. And Harris Teeter didn't have it either. So I'm on Facebook real quick trying to figure out what can I use. And they're like, do you have a cheese grater? And I realized I don't have a cheese grater either. Then I was like, maybe I can use a potato peel, potato peeler, but I don't want to mess this up. So I'm going to see if I can go to Dollar General by my house and get a cheese grater. Hopefully, if they don't have it, then I'm gonna just come back out later because I'm actually tired. I really want to take a nap, but I'll figure all that out in a minute when I find this cheese grater. So I'm praying the Asian Mart has what I want and need. Hello. Am I tripping? I think I'd be tripping. Maybe I'd be looking in the wrong spot. Excuse me. So the ice cream was not a dummy mission, but I see exactly. So on the post, whoever posted it took a picture of the freezer and I saw exactly where it was supposed to be. And they have a sign that says if you don't see anything in there to ask, but they don't have anything in there or in the back. And she was like, call and we should have some more next week. So she said they should have the peach and the mango. So next week, hopefully I'm gonna try to come up here. I'm gonna probably call on not Monday because I know they'll be closed on Mondays. I'm gonna probably call on Tuesday to see if they have them in stock, so I can grab one. Today's dinner consists of pita with chicken and feta. Crispy pita with chicken and feta. I don't know what it's called, but it should be good. So this is the chicken. I got my boyfriend. I'm just gonna put that back in there. The recipe calls for some ground chicken, tzatziki sauce. I love that with cucumbers. Feta cheese, a lemon and lemon zest, red onion. These were cut really big, so I ended up, when I went to Harris Teeter, got smaller ones. So oh my God, it's so strong. I needed extra onion powder, and it calls for mint as well. I want to say garlic too. Yes, garlic cloves. So I have garlic cloves. Garlic cloves. If not, I'm gonna just use the minced garlic that I have. So remember I was talking about I didn't have the grater for the lemon. It told me to get this and hopefully we rock out and see if that works. Look at my son, his colored pencils. And of course the pita. So I will, you know, cook, talk a little bit. I was actually supposed to cook hours ago, but I was just out doing my own thing, so whatever. I'm gonna get everything prepped. That way I'm not just like wasting video time or whatnot. I'm gonna get it all prepped, and it requires me to bake it too. So I'm gonna sear it a little bit in the pan, and then I'll bake it, and hopefully it comes out good. Hopefully this garlic is good too, because it don't look too good. I keep everything in a refrigerator, which I probably should stop doing. But I'll learn. One day I will learn. According to the directions, I got the ground chicken in here. I added a few more of my seasonings because I like it spicy. And I got the feta in here already. I'm gonna use a little of the onion. I don't really like too much onion, so I'll make that like that. So we got the onion, the garlic. They want 4 garlic cloves. That's a lot, but whatever. I probably should have got that garlic peeler thingy jiggy. Okay. I don't want to put no more garlic in here. So that's gonna be that. The garlic, that. That's done. Lemon and lemon zest. Wait, was it? Lemon juice and lemon zest. So I know for sure in school we learned to roll the lemon. That's how it goes. One layer, so. Can't you see? Can't you see? I usually like the stuff to be real kind of tart, so I just might add the other piece of lemon because why don't I know? And now the zest. Okay, I think I got everything in here, and we're gonna mix it up. Here we are right here. And we just mix it up. Did that go? Oh yeah. Oven's preheated good. So it halves the pita bread. And then it wants me to put the mixture in the pita bread. I got it pretty stuffed in there. Okay, I think it's hot enough now. Just need a little time, that's all. Just a little time. So we take it out of this pan. Put it in this one. And then it goes in the oven. Rock out with that. Alexa, set a timer for 10 minutes.
Good evening, Ashley. 10 minutes, starting now.
Uh-oh, I was about to make a mess. So the timer was off. I had cut one and put it in for like another 5 minutes. And Good enough for me. They're all good. Looking good, at least. Alexa, cancel all timers.
Canceling all your timers.
So I'm going to plate this. Those are my little halves. And like I said, it uses the tzatziki sauce as like a dipping. It's extremely hot right now, so I'm definitely not just going to dig in because I'm not I don't like my food extremely hot. I hate my food extremely hot, actually. I hate it, hate it, hate it. Get all of that. So I'm gonna let this cool down and then we're gonna get a taste test. Taste test time. Oh, it's a hit. And the sauce is actually good. I was scared of that bread, but it was good. I can eat 1,000,000 of these. I forgot bread for my kids, so I'm about to head back to dang on where is this? Dollar General. My food was really, really good. I can't wait to make it again tomorrow. And that might be like a meal prep thing for me because it was really, truly, truly good. I don't know. Oh, there. We can get a little brighter. So, yeah. Dollar General. And then I'm going to close this vlog out because I have like half of my half-gallon of water to finish. And I need to focus because that's so much water. I try to drink a half a gallon a day. I usually put lemon in it and liquid chlorophyll. So that's my little zhush for the day. And I've eaten, so I need to get that in my system and get back so I can close this vlog out. This vlog has come to a close. Thanks for spending the day with me. I enjoyed my food. I hope you guys like that recipes or somebody try it and let me know how y'all like it. Other than that, I got more stuff to vlog and more stuff to do, and hey, just rock with me, okay? Y'all like, comment, subscribe, all that other good stuff. Bye.